they are, where they were 1 year back, that's where they stand today. Correct or not? But those who joined have grown, have had exponential growth, have changed their lifestyles. A lot of changes have happened. My point to you all is, for those of you who are seeing the presentation for the first time, don't doubt it. The company is not on trial, you are on trial. Okay? So I became the first one-star achiever of Asia Pacific. I was the fastest achiever in 4 days. I didn't even know what was one star, and I achieved it by the way. Only because of the concept of duplication. I just focused on duplication. Everybody getting back their investment. That's all I focused on. So can we focus on that again? Yes. So everybody in Oman earns big checks, gets back their investment, yes or no? Yes. So let's keep that as a goal. Going forward, we work on everyone getting back their investment, and guess what? This Oman team will be bigger than my Dubai team. Yes? Yes? I love Oman team, you know why? Firstly, because most of them are Kabayans and I love Kabayans. Because I have become a millionaire because of Kabayans, seriously. Yes. You know, so salamat po Kabayans. You know, really, I didn't even know a single Filipino when I was in Dubai. I didn't know many Filipinos because I was working, but you know, it was like I never got any chance to interact. But seriously, y'all are really amazing people, Filipinos. With all due respect, seriously, with all other nationalities, but Filipinos are special to my heart. Not only because I became a millionaire, but because they are amazing people. Look at the hospitality, look at the team bonding, look at the love, look at the fun part that they like to have all the time. Yes or no? Filipinos believe in having fun, yes? This is a fun business. This is a fun business, which is why we have this team bonding today here. But there's not going to be training, but it's going to be fun. Fun and fun. Do we all love our jobs? Yes. Do we have fun at our jobs or what? Yes. Answer is no. Who is that yes? I want to know which company that is. I probably can take a job there. But actually I'm unaffordable because the company cannot afford $50,000 a week. Yes or no? Yes. Yes. So I'm unaffordable, so are you. So would you be in future. Right? Imagine guys, yeah? When I was lying on the hospital bed, just 8 months of being in the business, for lying on the hospital bed, guess what? My team gives me a gift. A gift of $6,600 in 1 week. Yeah. Wow. For lying on the hospital bed. Isn't that amazing? Yes. I was praying to God that every week I'm in the hospital. So that I earn $6,600 at least every week. Yes or no? Guess what? I went on a holiday to Europe with my husband for 17 days. I earned 22,000 US dollars. But I was holidaying in Switzerland, Germany, Austria, London, and so many other countries that I went in because of my team. A big round of applause to all my leaders, to my entire team. You know, seriously, I love my team. For me, more than my family, I love my team. Because my team is my family. Are you with me? Yes. Yes. So welcome to our family. Yes? And you know why you must join this company? I know there are a lot of network marketing companies here in Muscat. Do you know why you must join this company? Always when you make a decision on any network marketing company, you have to look at 3 things. The first, product. How good is the product? Is it useful? What is the potential of that product? It is not like you buy a product and then you have to stock in your house and carry all those products in your car and sell. You become like a salesperson, with all due respect to those companies. Yes? Yeah? Or holiday packages, vouchers. How many of us actually can afford to go on a holiday? Very few of us. Yes or no? Yes? We believe in the product which is a product of the future. Internet-based communication technology product. Guess what? Robert Higgins, who is the technical director of Apple, has joined this company. Should talk volumes about our product. Yes or no? HD quality, fantastic product, especially the broadcasting. Video broadcaster is amazing product. It's our flagship product. That's why all the companies, even in Philippines, are attracted to our product. And Filipinos, they love technology. Yes or no? They will be earning less, but they will have all these gadgets with them. Yes or no? Because that's why I like Filipinos. You know, they're crazy. They're really crazy. But at least they all will be crazy millionaires, because by joining my video talk, at least you will become a millionaire in pesos to start with. Right or not? So again, give yourselves a big round of applause. Come on. And we have the best compensation plan on planet Earth. But I can proudly state that. You can do your research and find out. It is not like giving vouchers. Vouchers you have to sell. It's ready cash. Week after week after week. It's not that your volumes get washed away after a period of time. Whatever volumes are there on left or right, they remain unless you flush out every week, which is $35,000 a week. Is that good money or bad money? Tell me. Good money. Even the cap, the daily cap is $5,000 a day. Very few companies out there have that kind of cap. Yes or no? Yes? Ceiling. Yes? For those of you who understand, I'm talking about earning maximum up to $5,000 a day. Over and above whatever you earn per tracking center will go back to the company. And that's how the company is cash rich. Because at some point, cash inflow and outflow would meet and company would run at a loss. That's why they cap you at $5,000 a day. So again, it's a fantastic compensation plan, because it's not only binary, it's a hybrid compensation plan. Besides whatever you saw today, besides all the commissions that you get, like $5,000, $10,000, $25,000, all these bonuses that you get, there is also leadership rewards. There is also weekly binary, basically if you refer more people and if you cycle every week for 4 consecutive weeks continuously, and if you have one direct sign up, you still get more dollars besides whatever commission you get. Are you with me? Yes. Like you get $120 to start with and $500 and so on and so forth. So you can earn an additional of $350,000 in 1 month. Wow. Is that good or bad? Good. That's amazing. Yes or no? Yes. Sorry about this, yeah? Anyway, guys, it's the best compensation plan. It's a fantastic product, and guess what? This company has been paying weekly commissions for the last 10 years. Has not missed out on one commission. Every Friday is the most happening day. Guess why? Because I wake up and I check my mobile phone. Today, congratulations! Today is your payday. So much money has been loaded into your global cash card account. Isn't that amazing feeling? Yes. Not only because it's Friday, because I wake up for dollars. Enough of dollars, yes? Yes. Guess what? This is the best ATM card. You know why? Because anywhere you go, like for example, I've come to Oman, I don't need to worry about any currency. I just bring my global cash card, I go to the ATM machine, withdraw. $1,000 every day I can withdraw. $1,000 a day is enough or not? Too much, right? You know, I have a big problem here. People have problem paying for credit cards, right? Credit card bills, yes or no? Yes. I have problem withdrawing money every week from my global cash card. Because you know what? When I earn $50,000 in 1 week, 50 days I have to go to the ATM machine to withdraw the money. Big headache, no? Yes or no? Yes. I have to appoint a person to go and withdraw ATM machine from my ATM machine every day. So I requested to the managing director, Mr. Sarwan Singh Gill, that please install an ATM machine in my house. Save me that trouble. Yes? It's a good problem or a bad problem, guys? Good. Do you want this problem? Yes. Then do exactly what I did. Join this business, go crazy, get back your investment, help all the people people who trusted you get back their investment, guess what? You will have this kind of ATM machine, ATM card, where you can go every day and withdraw $1,000. Good money or bad money? Good. So let's give this company a big round of applause again. You know how many people's life has changed because of this business in the team? So many. In other network marketing companies, they say, this business is about changing people's lives. This business is about changing people's lives. Guess what? They give vouchers. And then you have to sell those vouchers again to get cash. What a big problem, right? Here, people really, I'm seriously telling you guys, people who are doing this business seriously, their lives have been transformed because of this business. Not only in Dubai, in Abu Dhabi, in Bahrain, in Qatar, in Kuwait, in Oman, in Philippines, everywhere in the world. And these people who are the owners of the company, they are so down to earth. I know them personally, some of us know them personally as well. And guess what? Guess what? They have 21 years of network marketing experience. They know the pulse of a networker. They have been a networker themselves. So they always say, you know, that this is, we have been there, we've gone through everything that you are going through. And we know how much of effort goes into building a team and building a market and stuff like that. We will never let you down. And guess what? 3.5 years of my experience with them, it's a fantastic company to work with. Fantastic company to work with. I have not known any company where the managing director calls up and says, Vinita, just tell me when you want me in Philippines, I will come. He writes an email to me, when do you want me in Oman? I will come there. You know why? Because he loves this Oman team. He loves Marisa. In fact, Marisa is his Oman daughter. Then we give her a big round of applause. Yes? So these people, Marisa, Marites, all these people, they've done amazingly well. Crisalde, such amazing, Savio, Beth, I know how many leaders, you know. And yesterday I met some new leaders like, thanks, fantastic, amazing commitment. Can I give all of them a big round of applause? And you know what is the best thing that I like about this family? There's so much love between them. It really feels like a team. You know, that when people are not there, like Chona is not here because she's building her market in Philippines and stuff. Actually, I'm missing her, though I haven't spent much time with her, but still I'm missing her. Like, where is Chona? Where is she? Why isn't she here? Right? So this is what you get. You earn love, respect, care, and besides money and everything, guys. Money is important. But along with that, you know, helping people, being the difference, making a difference, and going all the way. Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Why this company again? Because the payment procedure is very simple. They send you a global cash card, you can go to any ATM machine anywhere in the world and you can do this business. Why this business? Because it's an online business. You can do it anywhere in the world. You can use this product to promote this business. Isn't that amazing? Most network marketing companies, you cannot use the product to promote the business. These are technology products. You can even communicate to your near and dear ones across the globe and you can promote this business. Yes? Yes. So it's a fantastic company and you guys are fantastic, and I do believe that only extraordinary people can do this business, and I believe that we all are extraordinary people, so we do deserve extraordinary results, right? Yes. So if this company doesn't say only Vinita Bokharia can earn, only Chris Mancera can earn, only Marisa can earn, only Marites can earn, no. You all can earn. Yes? Yes? Can everybody refer to at least 2 people? Yes. Can I see hands of people who can refer to 2 people? For those of you who are not raising their hands, do you know 2 people or no? I know. Everybody can refer this product to 2 people, yes or no? We all have been doing that. Buy this BlackBerry. BlackBerry is amazing. 100 more people went and bought BlackBerry because I bought BlackBerry. I didn't get free BlackBerry from BlackBerry company, but I didn't mind doing that. Yes or no? Yes. How many of you refer products and services to people? Come stay in Ruby Hotel. Ruby Hotel is amazing. That's what Marisa said. Yes, Marisa? Yeah, you get free rooms or what from Ruby Hotel? No, you don't get, but you don't mind doing that. You see what I'm saying? So in life, we are constantly referring products and services. We don't get paid a dime, but we don't mind doing that. And for doing the same thing, this company, crazy company, for talking to people, referring this product, companies paying us millions of dollars year after year after year. Do you think we should stop talking?
No.
Every day we waste so much of our energy.